Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Dwayne, 415 ZBXs in a 6-order C-pillar. Got a 90 amp hour battery.
Okay.
Off of base 15K.
Okay. So what's your amp wire to?
One on.
One on. Okay. And your electrical side?
Electrical, I got 2370 off.
What's your battery?
80 amp hour.
80. Okay.
I had C-Max, but I changed it out.
Okay. Did you build this? It looks good.
My close friend Tony, he built the box for me and stuff.
Good bit of work on the roof. You still having some roof flex, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Do you know the tunings on your 6th order?
The top is 35. Bottom, I can't actually remember what the bottom is.
Okay. Awesome. Thanks for the info, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. I like to know everything. I'm sorry to ask so many questions.
I watch all your videos.
Yeah.
So
It's how we learn, too, to know how your build goes, man. Did you do any SPL tests, burps on it or anything?
Yes, I did a SPL. I did a 153. And I didn't do the park and pound.
All right. Awesome, man. Thank you very much for the demo. Oh, you got some lights in there.
Yeah.
That looks good, man.
Thanks.
I appreciate the demo. Really windy, and it it has a good flat response, top end and the high end. Awesome. I like it. These are some big DS18 super tweeters. And they're facing the other way?
Yeah, so when the windows is out, when I'm doing demos,
oh, there you go. Good idea. Appreciate the demo.
Thanks,
awesome, man. Thank you. Is there a way I can see the band back?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I know you're probably here.
Y'all really built into the space of it. Is it sliding at all still?
It did at first, but it don't no more.
It don't know more, okay.
Don't no more.
All the bracing and making sure it's closed in. Nice. Awesome. All right, demo time. Nice. Awesome, man. Thank you very much for the demo. Oh, you got some lights in there.
Yeah.
That looks good, man.
Thanks.
I appreciate the demo. Really windy, and it it has a good flat response, top end and the high end. Awesome. I like it. These are some big DS18 super tweeters. And they're facing the other way?
Yeah, so when the windows is out, when I'm doing demos,
oh, there you go. Good idea. Appreciate the demo.
Thanks,
awesome, man. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.